So, got cool water. Best way to get this off is not to, I'm here, I swear to God I am, not to rub it with a cloth, just to rinse with your hands. So, if that's not going off fast enough for you, you can use a cloth, but don't scrub. Scrubbing is hard on your skin. Okay? So let me hit pause and then I'll finish rinsing. Okay, so here I am again. I rinsed it with cool water. Then you just pat your skin dry. Now, I know people that after they get out of the shower, they scrub their skin dry with a towel. You should never do that. That is really hard on your skin. Best thing you could do is air dry, but I don't know anybody with time for that. What you should do when you get out of the shower is just blot your skin dry like I'm doing now. And what I'm going to follow up with is my night cream. So that way I'm prepared for my night. And if I were to do this in the morning, which it doesn't recommend, but say I was a night person who slept days, I would do the exact same routine. You can find many great night creams. I have found and used quite a few different ones. The current one I'm using is, I am using a lifting and contouring eye cream by Arbonne. And there's a separate neck cream, and then I've been trying this product that my friend sells called Selected Nourishment. It's actually a body cream, but I've been using it, giving it a try. So I'm just going to put a little bit of that on. It smells wonderful, okay? And no matter what cream you put on, you always want to moisturize, even if you feel that your skin is oily. You still want to cleanse and moisturize, okay? Morning and night as part of your daily routine. I find hairbands very useful because even if you have short hair, I don't know anybody that likes getting all these different products in their hair, even when they're natural. The products that I tend to use are low chemical, pure, vegan, natural products. So that being said, please come check me out on my brand new website, janetmccue.com. That's JANETMCCUE.com. Of course, it's https://janetmccue.com. And you can find links to all my other products and things that I sell there. But also I've got a blog I'm starting where helpful hints and cleaning tips there. And I'm going to be putting up some recipe links and all sorts of neat, nifty things there if you're interested. And I hope you follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, everything. And Twitter. Don't forget about Twitter. But please, when you're right here on YouTube, please like, comment, and subscribe. It really does help my business. Whether you choose to purchase anything from me or not, just doing that really does help me out. And I truly appreciate it. And I hope you have a blessed night. Thank you very much. Bye.